Welcome to Legends of Louisiana. As we approach hurricane season, it's crucial to be prepared. Today, we're sharing essential tips to help you stay safe and ready. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, today we're talking about hurricane preparedness. Whether you're a lifelong resident or new to the area, these tips are vital. Let's get started first. Create an emergency kit. This should include water, non-perishable food, medications, flashlights, batteries, and a first aid kit. Don't forget important documents and some cash. Make sure you have enough supplies to last at least 3 days. Stay informed. Keep an eye on weather updates from reliable sources like the National Hurricane Center. Sign up for local alerts and have a battery-powered radio on hand. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better you can secure your home. Install storm shutters or board up windows. Bring in outdoor furniture and secure loose items. Trim trees and shrubs to reduce the risk of damage. Protecting your property can make a big difference. Have an evacuation plan. Know your evacuation routes and have a plan for where you'll go. Make sure your car is fueled up and ready to go. Being ready to leave at a moment's notice can save lives. Finally, check on your neighbors, especially the elderly and those with special needs. We're all in this together, and a little help can go a long. Community support is key during tough times. Those are our top tips for hurricane preparedness. Do you have any tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and follow our channel, Legends of Louisiana, for more helpful content. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching. Together we can weather any storm.